Everybody, my mom just gave me a YouTube channel, and today we will be doing Toca Kitchen 2.
And you don't own any rights to noise or music you hear in the background.
Got to avoid copyright.
And sorry for background noise.
I don't own any rights.
No.
Mommy, can you turn it down?
No, can you record upstairs?
Guys, I'm gonna go upstairs because there's too much background noise. Alright guys, I just had to leave because today we are gonna do all of them. Let's start with the girl. You know what it is. Oh yeah, ha 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 ha. Oh guys, my brother just came inside. Hey Jacob, you want to be in the video?
Sure.
So, my brother is getting the video. He's gonna pick which food should she have.
I think we should do a mixture of foods. Hang on. Like, which ones does she not like?
She likes none of them. Hey, you want? Let's give her cold bread. All right, let's do.
Frozen spaghetti?
We ain't feeding her frozen spaghetti.
Wait, hang on. Watch
We're
this.
boiling it.
Oh, we're gonna boil it now.
Yeah. Haven't you seen Mom boil spaghetti?
Mhm.
Okay, you ready? Is it done?
Sure.
All right, you ready? Put some hot sauce on it.
You know, 'cause why not?
Yeah.
And be sure to put some lemons on it.
Oh yeah, lemons.
Spray it with pepper.
And then salt.
Hey, look, guys, you almost done.
We'll watch this reaction.
And you're still taking...
What?
All
That's
right,
the stomach, okay?
let's feed her meat.
Raw meat. Come on.
Yeah, raw meat. Let's go.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, wait.
Spray it with hot sauce.
Oh. Spray.
And ketchup.
Okay, guys, my brother is being a little silly.
Yeah. Bro.
Let's cook it.
No, let's fry it.
Uh,
No, that's a pan.
I know. You cook.
I mean, like, deep fry.
You need deep fry. Cook it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's done. You got a hot sauce ketchup one.
You know, like how...
Okay,
deep
now she's
fries.
gonna eat it. Let's see.
Yes.
Yay, let's go. All right, guys, let's feed the next person. Bigfoot.
I
Mm.
was wondering where yours was.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get everything that Bigfoot likes. Yeah, dude. Rumba. Fish. Chicken. Meat.
Yeah, he likes meat.
Alright, let's cook all of those. Start with this. Now let's put them all in.
Now what? 'Cause you can also spray it with this stuff while it's on there.
Lemons.
Spray it! I think that's good.
Yeah, hot sauce.
Yes, hot sauce.
Let's go. Alright, Bigfoot.
Wait, spray that one with like mustard or something.
Mustard. There's no mustard.
I think that's mustard.
It's lemon juice. Ketchup.
No, wait, but the lemon is ketchup. No, just the lemon is lemon juice. Now spray it with salt. Now look. Oh no, like a lot of salt and a lot of pepper. That should be good. You're going crazy with that salt.
I know, right? With everybody,
Yum,
we're going.
yum, yum. Yes, he died.
He didn't like it, and he got knocked out.
Please don't sue us.
Don't sue us, Bigfoot. Don't eat us. What's this?
I don't know what that is.
It's a Sonic head.
How dare he?
He likes the Sonic head. Man.
Potatoes.
But I'm
Taters.
so
Oh, look, go over here.
let's cook it.
Over here. No. No. Go up here. Over here. Up here.
Oh, we're cutting it?
Yeah. You can cut stuff. Just take your finger then.
Oh.
See? Like that. Oh. It's like Fruit Ninja.
Yeah. That's He's starving.
Ah, meanie.
Bigfoot like.
Meanie Mamingers Bomberson.
Let's cook. Let's what?
Let's deep fry it. Gotta wait. Gotta wait until it's nice and crispy.
It's crispy.
You know what?
It's crispy.
We're actually making fries right now.
But this time it's in chunks. Oh, oh.
Actually, hand this to me, and we are gonna make some potatoes.
Ooh, let's make some potatoes. Ah, potatoes.
Oh, that's not good.
I have an idea. I got this.
You could just use my charger. It's
Alright.
a lot better.
Let's switch.
Technical difficulties.
That in.
There we go. This thing about to die.
Yeah. I don't know what percentage it is. Alright,
Alright, so let's make some taters. Holy.
Whoa, we made a potato chip.
Yeah, I know. Making potato chips is nice. There you
Oh,
go.
one fell. And let's fry it.
Let's make some taters, okay?
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta put these in there.
Let's make some French fries.
I think they're just potato chips now.
Yeah, they're just potato chips.
There. Chef Jacob.
Hey, you know you're taking over my YouTube channel.
No, I'm not. I'm actually helping.
Oh, let's cook the watermelon.
You wanna cook the watermelon? Ooh, with what? Do you wanna cook it with that?
We'll do all of them.
Yes. Ooh. Watermelon.
We'll do the watermelon. Salted.
I wonder if anybody remembers that meme. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do.
It's a dead meme.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, so that looks good.
And now let's cook it. Alright. Good. Let's deep fry it.
There we go. Should we cut it and blend it also?
Oh, let's cut it and blend it. 100%. Cut it and blend it. Cut it. Did I lose all the pieces? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You're gonna lose all the
It's
pieces.
not!
Alright. Let's blend it. We're making watermelon juice. Oh, we need more. There's one more slice.
There it is. Those are taters.
Put them in there. Put 'em in
I'll
the
put one
blender.
in there.
No, all of them.
You still need his french fries. Okay. That looks good, doesn't it? He
Yeah.
actually likes it.
Wow.
You like my...
Get out!
Please? We're kind of recording. No, because you're supposed to be nice, okay? He doesn't like my french fries. I know what we should do.
What?
I think we should take a whole bunch of this stuff.
We're gonna blend that whole.
Yes.
Holy Cheez-Its. Oh my god. Put them all in there. Okay, ready? It's overflowing. Hey, let him drink it. How dare you, Bigfoot?
How about a tentacle?
Cutting a tentacle.
You know, some people.
Let's blend a tentacle.
That's actually not a bad idea. Oh no!
Get back to Mr. Bigfoot's. I bet he's hungry again.
Probably.
Well, guys, I'm gonna let my big brother have the rest of it. And while I wait for him to get done with the video, I will be playing on his tablet.
Wow. So, do you want me to cut them or blend them first?
How about you cut them and then blend them? Wait, what?
Well, too bad, because we're blending them first.
Hey, Jacob. Best way to make a 2.
Yeah, cool. I kind of changed my password. Okay.
Why?
Cause
Does everybody know it?
he doesn't like it. All right. So how about you make him a nice food? Okay.
Let's make him some shrimp and blend it.
He doesn't like shrimp.
He does. What?
He
Oh,
see, told you.
we need to cook it.
Will you please give him an orange though?
Let's just cook
I
it.
think you deep fry shrimp.
We cook it and then deep fry it.
I think deep fry.
See if you like it.
It should taste good.
Oh, it's hot.
Let's do oranges.
Let's make orange juice.
Yeah. It's kind of how they make orange juice.
I think I'll love it. Wait, it's actually a smoothie.
It's a drink. Okay. He likes it.
Just break it. I threw it out.
Do you think we should end the video here?
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I've been recording way more than I was supposed to.
12 minutes.
And I will see you in the next video.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And bye.
I'll see you in the next video.